Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a Facebook page permanently. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To permanently delete your Facebook account using the Facebook app on an iPhone or Android phone, begin by opening the Facebook app. Once inside, tap the menu button located in the top right corner of the screen. Next, access the settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner. Within the settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Account Center. Tap on See More in Account Center to proceed. In the Account Center, scroll down and select Personal Details. From here, choose Account Ownership and Control. In the Account Ownership and Control section, select Deactivation or Deletion. You will then need to choose the profile you wish to delete if you have multiple accounts linked. Once you've selected the appropriate profile, opt for Delete Account, then tap Continue. It's important to note that if you're the sole admin of any Facebook pages or groups, these will be deleted as well unless you transfer ownership beforehand. After selecting Continue, you have the option to provide feedback on why you are deleting your account, though this step is not mandatory. Tap Continue again to proceed. When prompted with the message indicating that you are about to permanently delete your account, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Continue. Finally, you'll need to enter your Facebook password to confirm the deletion. After entering your password, select Continue, and your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. This guide walks you through the steps for permanently deleting your Facebook account using the mobile app. If you have any questions or encounter issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. So that's basically how to delete a Facebook page permanently. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.